Make the ground shake.
Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a math tutorial for you guys. So first off the bat, I wanted to apologize for the poor quality of video in my past couple of videos, but I hope you like the quality of this video better. So this is the first math tutorial in my math series on this channel, and I hope you all enjoy. If there are any specific areas or skills that you would like me to help explain, just mention them in the comments and I can go over them. Today we're going to be writing quadratic equations when given a table with consecutive integers for the independent variable. So here you can see we have our table and there are consecutive numbers for the x value. So the first thing we want to do is find the second difference of all of these values in the table. To do that, we first have to find the first difference. So we will subtract negative 40 from negative 45, and you will get negative 5. Then, because it's a parabola, the values are going back down to negative 40, so that's an increase of the value in 5. Now from 40 to 25, it's an increase in value of 15, and from negative 25 to 0, it's an increase in value of 25. So now that we have our differences, we have to find the differences of the differences, or the second difference. So what is the difference between negative 5 and 5? Well, it is 10. Between 5 and 15, 10. Between 15 and 25, 10. So the a of the quadratic equation is the second difference, which we just found, divided by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So a in the equation is 5. And there you go. You figured out the first part of your equation. So, some problems you'll be given will not already have a table like this one, but you always can feel free to make this table as it can help you with your work. So here again, we have the x values, the y values, and the quadratic portion of your equation. And here you have y minus the quadratic portion, which is the linear portion. And then you have your first finite difference. So to get the quadratic portion, you use the a we just found. So a times the x value squared. So in this case, you have negative 10, which then you have to square. So that is 100, because remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. So you have 100 times a, which is 5. So you get for your first value, 500. Now let's go to the next one. Negative 9 squared is 81. And 81 times 5 is 405. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of this column. So now that I've finished this whole column, it's time to go on to the linear portion of the quadratic equation. So here, this is the y value here minus the quadratic portion. So to get this number here, it would be 40 minus 500, which is negative 540. Now, I'm just going to finish completing this table using the same principle for every single one. Okay, so now you can see I finished filling out that table. Now it is time to find out this column. So what is the difference between all of these numbers? So you can go ahead and draw your little arrows like this between each of the different things. So what is the difference between 540 and 450? Well, it's an increase of 90. And the same exact thing for all of these. So your b value of the equation is 90. And there you go. You're almost done with your equation. Now all you have left is some simple substitution. So we know that c of a quadratic equation is y minus the quadratic term, or ax squared, minus the linear term, or bx. So you just take this here and fill in your values. So c equals, let's pick a value of y, easiest is 0. So c equals 0 minus the quadratic portion, or you have 5, because that's your a, then your x in this case is -6, so minus 5, then open paren, -6, close parentheses, squared, minus your linear portion, or minus 90, times -6, or our x value. So here you get c equals 0, minus 5, -6 squared, minus 90 times -6. So if you go ahead and do that, you'll get c equals 0 minus 180 plus 540. And what does that equal? C equals 360. Now all you have left is to put that into your final equation. So the form for quadratic equations is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So here you put in your a, which we figured out was 5, put in your b, which we decided was 90, and your c, which was 360. And there you go, you have your final equation, that y equals 5x squared plus 90x plus 360. And that's it. It's not really that hard. Now with your graphing calculator, you can go back and check all through this. I hope you've all enjoyed this video and it can help you out a lot. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you need help with any math skill or anything else that you want me to cover in any of my videos in general, just put it down in the comment section. I read all the comments and I will try to make a video. Okay, thank you.